In this video,
I will be showing
you how to connect any AirPod to any console
without
using an adapter. See if you try
connecting a Bluetooth
to your PS4.
It says Bluetooth audio
Devices are not
by
supported.
PS.
I have a simpler way to connect your AirPods to your PS4 with the use of a smart TV. You can see I'm using my phone as a remote. If you want me to show you how to connect your TV to your phone, so you can use your phone as a remote like this, comment down below and subscribe and hit like button for me to post more content. With all of that said, so you just go to your settings, you go to sound. If maybe on your TV, you see audio devices, you go to audio devices, and in audio devices, go to sounds out, then you go to Bluetooth device selection. Now you can search for your device. If you find your Bluetooth device, then click on it. Automatically, your AirPods will be connected to your smart TV. Once it's connected, you can hear every sound your TV produce. Now you can open any game and enjoy the game. If this video was really helpful, a sub to the channel will be awesome. See you in the next one.